Hi everybody, it's Cathryn from In the Pink Designs. My project today is this, I think it looks like a little chicken coop actually, with the little peak roof. And it opens and there are 3 Ghirardelli squares inside. I used Hey Chick stamp set. This set is going to be retiring on June 30th, I believe. And tomorrow on today, by the time this goes up, it will be free shipping on any order of $50 or more through Stampin Up. So it will just take your shipping off. So if you're interested in this set as a bundle, or the dies or the stamp set separately, tomorrow will be a good day to pick it up because it's retiring next week and it will be free shipping. Alrighty. So what I used are those 2. I also used the Penned Flowers die for the scalloped edge here. I used some of the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper for this, and some real red cardstock, and Bumblebee gingham ribbon. Alright, so what we need are some basic white for stamping, a piece of real red that is 6.5 by 5.5. You can get 2 of these out of each piece of cardstock. For the DSP, you need 2 that are 1 3/4 by 2 1/4, 2 that are 1 3/4. Sorry, here, 1 3/4 by 3/4, and 2 that are 3/4 by 2 1/4. And I will put all this on my blog, which I will link below. Alrighty, let's start with the scoring. I'm getting my Simply Scored, and we're going to start on the 6.5 inch side. And we're going to score at 1, 3, 4, and 6. Then we're going to turn it to the 5.5 inch side, and we're going to score at 1, 3.5, and 4.5. Alright, that's it. And I'm going to fold and burnish. So all the way until midnight tonight, you can get free shipping on $50 or more from Stampin' Up. That's not from me, that's from Stampin' Up. So anything you want from the old mini or the chicks, you have to get before they retire, and it will be a good time because it's free shipping. Alright, this is what we want to do. So the bottom, we're just going to cut the tabs and the straight rectangles and take away this piece, and then we're going to take away all of this and this piece on the top. Alright, so let's start with the skinny rectangle on the right hand side, and we're going to start on the left, bottom left, and we're going to cut the rectangle straight and then wedge the 2 squares. And we're going to move over to the rectangle on the other side and cut that straight, and this rectangle side straight, and wedge these 2. Wedge the square sides of the square. Okay, and then we're going to move over to this side of that rectangle, cut it straight, and then we're going to wedge a little bit above. So that's what it looks like on the bottom right now. Then we're going to turn it so that the skinny rectangle's on the left-hand side. We're going to take out this rectangle over here and wedge a little bit there. Okay. Then we're going to just cut this side of the rectangle straight only down to the first score line, and we're going to take this square, this rectangle, and this square off completely. So that's what that looks like, okay? I'm going to turn it this way. Alright, now for the top here, I'm going to use this die from the Penned Flowers dies, and I'm going to get it as close to the edge as I can without going off. And I'm going to put some tape on it, and I'm going to cut it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like after you cut the edge. Alrighty, so that's all of the box right now. And now we want our tear and tape, and we're going to put a piece right up against the score line on the skinny rectangle. Flip it to where it's going to be the inside, and put a piece of tape on the bottom of each rectangle. There you go. All right, so now we're just going to put it together. First, we're going to put it together right here. Fold it over, fold the other side to meet it. And then this is our back, and this is our front. So this one we're going to put down last. So let's put this one down first. And then this one, which is our front. Okay, and then just open your box and put that. Okay. Now I have my 3 Ghirardelli squares, and I'm going to slip them in. Okay, they fit nice in there, not too tight and not too loose either. Okay, and then what I want you to do is push with your thumbs and push with your pointers and squeeze with your thumb and the other fingers, and you see how it will make a nice triangle inside there, and this will come over just like that. Alrighty, so now before we put on I've used a Velcro dot for closure here. Let's put our designer series paper on. All right, the 2 pieces that are 1 3/4 by 2 1/4 are going to go on the front and the back. Okay, and then the ones that are 2 1/4 by 3/4 are going to go on the 2 sides. Okay, and the last 2 that are 1 3/4 by 3/4 are going to go on the back of the top and the inside of the top. Okay, so let's put one right here above the front piece, right on here. And then one on the back right there. Let me give that a minute to dry. So we'll do some stamping. All right, and I want this chicken image from Hey Chick stamp set and our basic white cardstock. And this is Tuxedo Black ink. There we go. Okay, and I already have one that I cut out with the chip dies, and we need a couple of colors. For the body, I'm going to use dark Daffodil Delight for the feathers on the body. The wing and the tail, I'm going to leave white. Okay. And then I'm going to use dark real red for the comb up here. Dark pumpkin pie for the feet. And light pumpkin pie for the beak. And that's it. Pretty easy coloring for this chick. Alrighty. Now we're just going to attach it to the front of the box with dimensionals. Okay. And then I need our 3/8 inch Velcro dots that I got on Amazon, sometimes on Walmart.com. And I'm just going to put one in the middle of the top, the back of the top flap. Then I'm going to put the matching part on there with the adhesive facing me. I'm going to close the box and press it on. Open it gently and really press it good. Okay, now I already cut, this label is from the messages die. I stamped this "Have a Happy Day" and then cut it because it's the big die. So I did it beforehand because I am really not good with this type of sentiment. I like to cut it first and then, I like to stamp it first and then cut it with the die because I just can't get these straight very well. So I did it already, and it says "Have a Happy Day." This one said "Hey Chick," and they were two different. I just cut out a bunch of the messages dies, and I'm going to be using them now. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it with about 1/4 of an inch after the sentiment, and then I'm just going to make a little triangle at the end so it will be easy to stick right here. Have a happy day. So I'm just going to take a glue dot, I'm going to stick it right there. Oops. And then I'm going to just stick it right about there. Okay, well, maybe not. Maybe up a little bit more. And over so that most of these little scallops will show. And then I'm going to tie a bow with the Bumblebee gingham ribbon. And then I'm going to take another glue dot and just put it over the end of the sentiment like that. Just like that. I might have to move the sentiment down just a little bit. And even off this. Okay, and then they can open it up right over there, and there's their chocolates inside. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and remember, today only is free shipping from Stampin' Up for $50 or more, and these, the Chick dies and the Hey Chick stamp set are retiring, and if there's anything else you have your eyes on, you might want to get it when there's free shipping because that saves you the 10%. All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate the time you spend. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload, you could hit the notification bell. I will see you next time. Bye.